Give him some if he didn't have none, cocksucker.
He wouldn't have walked over if it was some, sucker. You got me saying sucker. I ain't saying sucker since I was a little kid. What you think I'm gonna get you sucker or something? You got me saying sucker. I ain't said this since elementary school, junior high. You couldn't curse. Everybody, ooh.
Sucker.
Yeah. How y'all doing? It's your boy Q. Man, I just got a phone call from a couple of my clients telling me why you ain't working today. Why should I? It's my off day. I ain't even booked up for tomorrow. Shoot, what you talking about? Got 6 more, no, I think I got like 4 more slots left. But anyway, man, I just saw my boys, they ain't doing nothing, so I need Big Boy washed. So you know I'm finna take Big Boy to go down there and get washed. But y'all know what I need to do? I need to be a sponsor for Michelob. Michelob, you looking for somebody to hire? I'll sponsor y'all. How much Michelob I drink? Cause that's why I'm finna go get a 12-pack right now. And the best place to get it? DG. DG got some special, y'all. And then you gotta think about it. Who goes in DG to buy beer? So the case is closed the whole time, getting them good cold, you know what I'm saying? And then you gotta think about it. You go to a liquor store, the ale store or wine and spirits if you're in a nice neighborhood. Wine and spirits, nice neighborhood. If you say ale store or liquor store, you're in the hood. But anyway, that door opens back and forth like a walking door. It's like a door with the little kids, you know what I'm saying? Little kids, that door gonna do da. Like shoot. Let me go up in DG and get this little special thing. Like I said, Michelob, hit me up, man. Let me get that sponsor, man. Like I said, man, 12-pack straight fresh cold ones. Got them cold ones. Welcome to them cold ones, y'all. About to get my... Never mind. Y'all look over me, man. I'm just having fun. I'm on my off day. Everybody trying to make me work. And I'm not working until tomorrow. Now let's go get Big Boy washed. Cause Big Boy nasty, y'all. Try to go get Big Boy washed, y'all.
You were working on it, wasn't you?
Yeah, when he said one of the spindles was bent, he put me to the side. Boy, Big Boy, I had a small leak. They found what that small leak was.
Where?
In my tire.
On this one?
Yep. Big Boy nasty. Ain't had no wash in a while, baby.
You got to
Yeah.
what have been on that in front on that Impala. Yup.
I was say them deers running right now, boy.
They're running. You know they smell each other. They don't try to knock them down. They gonna run.
Boy.
They're running.
What's up, Doc?
You gonna have to find you a hoopty.
Shoot, that's my boy right there.
Yeah, I'm talking about just for the deer to knock him.
Hey.
Hey, serious, you just have to get a hoopty.
Them deers be coming out of nowhere. I'm glad I ain't get my bumper fixed. I like, shoot, hit right again. Blah. I was on my way home. I just finished doing the little thing with the kids.
I think it makes you get you a hoopty like January through March. Here. You're sending the white folk fever.
I'm not gonna argue with you. I know what I see, bro. You ain't with me. You say you had to walk over there?
It's a quiet car.
Oh, the quarter machine ain't got none?
No, he in town. He been over there in Iraq, overseas.
Oh, he out of town.
Did you get
Yeah, he overseas. His family over there in that war stuff. He's making sure they all right, but he.
Did you get some quarters?
Yeah, I got.
Yeah, he got some quarters. What you think he did that walk?
I don't know.
I just walked the extra
Lord
with the
I would
Jesus.
give him some if he didn't have none, cocksucker.
He wouldn't have walked over if it was some, sucker. You got me saying sucker. I ain't saying sucker since I was a little kid. What you think I'm gonna get you sucker or something? You got me saying sucker. I ain't said this since elementary school, junior high. You couldn't curse. Everybody, ooh.
Sucker.
Yeah.
Hey, mama can't whoop you for that.
Boy. Got me tripping on we back when we young and stuff. Man, he got this thing lifted up high, man. What's the lift on? Oh, what's up, man? I be seeing you in the gym. What's the lift you got on here? What's the lift you got on here? That's a 7-inch? Look like a 10-inch lift. That bad boy's sitting up high. Well, nice though, I like it. I've been wanting to lift mine, but then I can't go in the garage. It's over with. I barely get in there now. Oh, you good? I was your age, I was parking outside anyway. That's good on that. Say what?
I seen a big ass deer dead out there. That motherfucker big as me.
You ain't that big.
Who?
You ain't that big.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, Todd, he ain't even that big. He's something big as me.
I know that.
I forgot. He got the earbuds on, so you know he can't hear you, man.
Man, that back on that motherfucking deer was that big.
That's why I tell you I hit that deer Saturday. That's why this bump right here got ugly. That is ugly, boy.
Nah, but you get it right though.
Oh, don't spray it too hard. Yeah, he look good. Big boy, you look so much better. Big boy, you look so much better. Woo, cause my bad boy, hey, he was ugly. Hey, y'all, big boy was ugly, y'all. I didn't want to drive big boy, only when it was raining, cause it was raining anyway. Subscribe. Follow that movement, y'all. Yeah, get big boy back right, y'all. Get big boy back right. No cell phone no more. I'm gonna look good. I like how I got the lift. He said it's just a 7-inch lift. I said I'm gonna look like a 10. And them are vibrating. Kaylee! Dang, zoomed in too far. You never see this car dirty, y'all. Oh! you see what the camera make you do. You see what the camera make you do, dog. Kaylee done turned some tires on us, man, that Impala. Come creeping back on. It's gonna come creeping back. Ooh. He got the Bluetooth on, y'all. He on that Bluetooth, y'all. Nah, you gotta go to the Exxon to get your change.
Man, he been at his family been getting bombed at. He been out overseas. So he just got back to there waiting to bring his ass up here. I ain't got paid since last week.
Boy, I was so filthy. Ooh, big boy back. Big boy back, y'all. Like I said, you never see Kaylee dirty. And I ain't used to, oh, you switch rims again? God dang, boy, you said to switch this rim like drones. You had? You don't know what you want to ride.
What's up with you, bro?
Hey, Miss Queen Bee. Chilling, man. Had to get my truck washed. Hey, boy, it was nasty. Boy, that rain had me looking ugly, boy.
Yeah, I want to do mine, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
You don't want to do it, or you don't want to get it washed?
No, I'm talking about I don't know if I want to wash it because I be getting up early in the morning and it be mist and stuff all out.
True, the fog, but that rain gone. But I don't know. I woke up this morning. I was surprised about it this morning.
All that fog and stuff.
Yeah, man, it got me this morning. I like, shoot, I'm glad. I want to pull my vet out. I said, nope. Hopped in that bad boy. I'm glad I did. Shoot, I had some issues I had to handle to it. You know what I'm about to say, y'all. It's called subscribe. Click that bell. Join the movement of That Boy Q. Thanks for watching. I love all y'all. It's your boy Q.